Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Remington KMC model 17 maybe. Gonna see if we can touch up this label right here, this decal. And I'm just gonna use a magic marker, silver tip magic marker. Let's see if I can do this on camera. See how it comes out. So this is a Sharpie silver marker, and I'm going to try to do this with I'm not going to try to shoot. It's already pretty tricky. Bleeding over a little bit for sure. Wondering if I should have trimmed the tip on this a little bit, but let's see if I can get a little bit more of this. Try not to make it look worse than it was. That's not too terribly bad. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing here. And let's see if I can scrape off a little bit of the extra stuff that's on here, like this little M right here. I think that's about it. That's a little bit better. Okay. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.